Here's how to play Roblox on touchscreen laptop. So, what you need to do is go to Microsoft Store first and search for Roblox. Make sure that you have already installed the Roblox application to your Microsoft or any laptop that you use. Afterwards, you'll be redirected on your Roblox account. You can now go ahead and choose any game that you wanted to play on Roblox. So, always remember that all channels can be game. After choosing a channel, click on the play option so that you can go ahead and redirect it to the server of the game. Once you click on the play options, you can now go ahead and enjoy the game that you chose. Afterwards, you will be redirected to the game itself. Now you can go ahead and use Roblox or play on the touchscreen of your laptop. Make sure that you have a fast Wi-Fi connection so that you will avoid any lagging option or complications on your end.